Hello everyone. So today we're going to cover up a major topic that children are very anxious these days. They are being bothered about some reason or the other, and they're not able to explain it in a proper way, which is increasing their anxiety. अब उसको कैसे डील करना है ये बहुत ज़रूरी है, और हमारे को समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम उसको कैसे बच्चे को हेल्प कर सकते हैं ताकि वो इस सिचुएशन से बाहर आ सके, और सिचुएशन से बाहर आ सके उसको समझते हुए, right? So we will talk about certain techniques what you can do with your child when they are going under some anxious situation. The first thing is कि you don't have to ignore it. You have to prepare yourself to face it rather than avoiding it. बहुत सी बड़ी सिचुएशन ऐसी होती है कि कुछ बच्चे ने कोई रिस्पॉन्स शो किया, कुछ दिखाया, तो पेरेंट्स उसमें सिर्फ उसको अवॉइड कर देते हैं कि ठीक है कुछ ऐसा है, अपने आप ठीक हो जाएगा. आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू नॉट टू डू सो. Observe it carefully, and if there is a repeated behavior which is coming up, please pay attention to it and then consult your doctor or a therapist to understand it better and see how you can help the child. Second point comes here that you have to maintain your calm all during these things. When the child is anxious and is behaving in a certain manner, please be cool and deal with the child with the complete patience and calm. Don't respond in the way aggressively or by saying something which can aggravate the situation rather than calming down the situation. The third is teach your child the coping strategies, कि उसको बेसिक्स कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ ऐसी आप अपने साथ ही बच्चे को करवाइए जिससे उसको समझ में आ जाए कि अगर कभी ऐसी सिचुएशन आती है और वो घर में नहीं है, स्कूल में है, कहीं बाहर है, तो उसको कैसे उसको फेस करना और कैसे उसको डील करना है. The child should know those things. For example, he needs to do the deep breathing using the 5 hands, or he needs to do a scribbling exercise, or whatever the child is comfortable, that you need to work out with your child कि क्या उसके संग easy होता है. Then you have to do some mindfulness activities or positive self-talk. The best example for this is I always share is that you share your life examples. आप इतने बड़े हैं, आपकी लाइफ में बहुत examples हो चुके हैं, तो बच्चों को अपने experiences बताइए, उनकी लाइफ टॉक करिए ताकि वो उनसे समझ सके. और बच्चा very open to the stories. जब आप उनको स्टोरी फॉर्म में बताते हैं तो उनको बहुत जल्दी समझ में आ जाता है, एंड दे कैन रियली अप्लाई दैट विद देयर लाइफस्टाइल. देन very important is to have a daily reflection time. You spend 10 minutes, 15 minutes together sitting with your child, reflecting on your day, what you have done, how you have done, what triggers you to get angry, what triggers you to be happy. सारे emotions को थोड़ा थोड़ा आप अगर बच्चे से communicate करके in everyday level deal करते हैं, तो it helps you grow, it helps your child grow in what? In the understanding the emotions. And when you map those emotions, you'll be able to regulate them. The child will be able to understand कि उसके emotional upheaval से ऐसे reactions आते हैं, उसको कैसे cope करना है. So these are the few simple tips how you can help the anxious child, and always build up a nice communication with them. Do some various activities, so जो एक आपका connection है वो not as a parent and child, but it becomes a more beautiful, like a parent, a child, friend, or and beloved. Whatever I say, it should be the most beautiful relation. The child should be the most comfortable to come to you and speak to you about any kind of problems, and this way they can lead towards a better life. So I think so this will help you. These were the very small tips which you can do it in everyday life. If you want some detailed version, if you want to go through the exercise, do get in touch with us, connect with us on the Facebook group, or you can reach us directly for the session, and then we can take you towards different workshops. You can experiment with those, whatever is needed. And we'll be very happy to answer all your questions. You can post them in the comment section or message it to us. And do like and subscribe if you like the video, and I'll wait for your feedback too. Thank you so much.